Hi guys, recently I received this 3D metal puzzle for reviewing purposes. I've just seen it's all assembled and ready now. So I want to show you first how was the process and then talk a little bit about the puzzle itself, okay? So let's go! Okay guys, as you can see, now it's ready. You can spin these little circles on the wings and you can move the wings with the gears like this. I think it's a really nice function. This is how it looks all finished. The legs have a couple of motion, which is perfect to play with it, and also the abdomen, okay? It has the sticker in here and I think it's really nice. It did take a little bit of time to assemble it, but it wasn't all that hard, it just took time. It's really nice. It's entertaining to assemble it also, and it's perfect for everyone. Giving it as a gift, I think it's a great option, and it's really nice. I like a lot the colors, and it's all of metal, okay? So you don't have to worry about anything. All the instructions are clear to how to assemble it, and it's really nice, okay? So I would really recommend it if you want it for yourself, give it as a gift for your, well, little brothers, little sisters, whoever you want to give it. I think it's a great option, okay? So I would really recommend it. See ya!
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.